If you are still using the same default Windows cursor, then you can change it to new one. Check my video description for this site link. Choose the cursor you like the most. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this banana. Click on the drop down in download and select windows.zip, and you need to wait for 5 seconds and then select the download option. Once download done, right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and choose the banana icon size. Regular, large, extra large. I'm going with the extra large. And right click on the install bat and select the install option and select yes. Click on the drop down in scheme and select banana extra large cursors and select apply. Yes. Okay. And we have successfully changed the cursor to banana. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.